How to fix Amazon seller app not loading. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Amazon seller app not loading. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there can be many reasons why this error occurs and your Amazon seller app does not load. So one of the first and most basic one is you not being connected to a good internet connection. So check for your Wi-Fi connection now. You can just check if you're connected to the internet, check if your Wi-Fi that you're connected to is strong and stable. You can also switch to mobile data as well instead of the Wi-Fi. So just check for your Wi-Fi connection and just connect to some different Wi-Fi and try. If that does not fix your problem and your Amazon seller app is still loading, what you might want to do is clear out its cache. For that, open up your settings, go to General. On General, go to iPhone Storage. Then right there, simply search for your Amazon seller. So let me search for Amazon here. There we go. Now tap on Offload App and then offload the app. Then you can always reinstall it right from here and then your cache will have been cleared. After that, check if the app works. If it still does not work, the only fix that you can do is completely uninstall the app and then reinstall it, or head over to App Store, search for Amazon seller. Then there you'll find the web app. Then if you see an update button, tap on update and update the app. And yeah, that can fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.